Your voice is shit and you sound like a zombie. And the reason as to why is because you don't understand the concept of energy. Every single thing in the world, every action you do, every word you speak, everything that happens uses energy. Like, not even in like a spiritual sense. I mean in the actual physical sense, kilojoules, calories, energy. When you, like me talking right now, me moving my hands, this is using energy. I'm literally using ATP in the physical sense. I am using chemical energy to move my body, kinetic, whatever. You don't use energy when you speak. Like, just speak for a second. When you speak, you sound like a literal zombie. Like, you're low energy, you're trying to conserve as much as possible, and you know, your head is kind of bobbing and drifting. You just sound low energy. And when people see this, when people see how you sound like a loser, like a zombie, and you don't even try and put effort into how you conduct yourself, it's repelling, completely repulsive. I was in the bus the other day, and I was just sitting there, you know, waiting for my bus to go to my destination. And some girl came into the bus around my age, and she went to the bus driver, and in such a fucking low tonality, I genuinely did not expect a girl to be able to be this low energy. She put her like ID, there's this thing called a Young Scots card, so you can, like, if you're in Scotland, you can just scan your card to get a free bus. So she scanned her card and she was like, "This destination, please." When I heard her voice, I genuinely felt more negative. I felt more depressed when I heard that. I would have rather just not heard her voice ever. It was disgusting. Like smelly. It just was low energy. I didn't like it. It's just weird. How do you think you're going to attract a social life at all if you sound like that? You need to conduct yourself. You need to put high energy into yourself, your posture, your hand movements, your voice. Through this video, I'm providing you with energy. In a weird way, when somebody has high energy, you suddenly get high energy. If you're in a group, and everyone in the group is really happy and high energy and jumping and doing physical action, you'll become the same. Energy can be transmitted through different people. If you hang around high energy people, you will become high energy. Again, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. I mean, in that context, it does make a pretty true statement. But that's not the only way you can gain energy. Just being a healthy person will give you energy. Eat good food. Like, stop eating crisps, stop eating like all of this bullshit processed food. Eat regular foods. Drink lots of water. Like, you should be drinking like 3 liters of water at least a day. And if you're working out and maybe you're taking creatine, even more. You shouldn't be like just drinking on a whim. You should be tracking your water intake if you aren't already drinking a lot. You should be doing other stuff. Working out, of course. That's like a basic requirement of a human. If you aren't working out, man or woman, what the fuck are you doing? Go to the gym. You need to be, again, talking to people. But that's difficult, right? It would really be a lot easier if there was like some guy who had this program that would just allow you to immediately learn how to talk to people. But I don't know, man. I don't know if there's anyone like that. So, wait. I'm the person who can teach you how to become social. I'm the person who has the course that will show you exactly how to get from level 0 social skills to level 2, where you can talk to any man at any time, no matter what. I'm that guy. I know. I'm a legend. I'm a hero. I know. No need to praise me. It's if you want to praise me, then top link in the description. Check it out. You can message me directly in there. You should also be not only hanging around good people, not only drinking water, not only eating good food, not only going to the gym, you should be meditating, just basic self-improvement, like doing healthy habits, journaling, not like doing bad stuff, not eating bullshit, not spending hours on the screen. This is just basic stuff. You already know what to do. I don't even need to tell you this. You know that spending 5 hours a day watching YouTube is bad for you. I don't need to tell you. No one needs to tell you. You know this. Again, check the top link in the description. Check the top link in the description. And remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye-bye.